The authorities in Bangladesh intensified efforts on Wednesday to deliver food and drinking water to millions of people struggling after heavy rain unleashed catastrophic flooding across a quarter of the country. On Wednesday, at least 17 of the country's 64 districts, mostly in the north and northeastern region, were reeling from the natural disaster. The authorities said at least 36 people had been killed and about 4.5 million people stranded so far. In India's Assam state, at least 7 people were killed in the last 24 hours, taking the toll to 44 during the current wave of flooding that began about a fortnight ago, officials said. India's National Disaster Management Force said in a statement that 14 teams with more than 70 boats and over 400 men were pressed into action in the heavily flooded districts of Assam.